Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how you can wash your makeup brushes at home. It's super easy and simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So here are the brushes that I will be using. These ones are from Real Techniques and these ones are from Nude by Nature, but of course you can use any makeup brushes. As you can see, they are pretty gross and filthy beforehand, so we are definitely going to be fixing that because I don't want to put these on my face. So yeah, also this is the sponge before. I know some people's are worse than this and then they never clean them, but I still think this is pretty disgusting, so we're going to clean that up in this video. Onto supplies, I would recommend having a makeup brush cleaner. I like to use a face wash because I figured if you're willing to use this on your face, your brushes go on your face as well, so you might as well use it. I also recommend some kind of mat. This one has a lot of textures, as you can see, and suction cups, which makes it very versatile for different types of brushes. But another type that you could use is like a little egg cleaner. It's up to you. You can get them for like $2 online and they work pretty well, but that's what I would recommend, and that is what I'll be using in this video. And you're also going to want a towel to leave your brushes to dry on. I just like to use a bath mat. So moving on to actually cleaning the brushes, start by taking your mat and putting it onto the bottom of the sink and getting it wet and adding in some of your soap. If you don't have a mat, you could just use like a textured container or board. Then taking your brush, go ahead and turn the tap on, and you just want to start by getting it wet. Once it is wet, just take your cleaning mat thingy and turn your brush in a circular motion, and that's just how you want to wash them, and you'll see the makeup will start to just come out. Then you can just go ahead and rinse it and give it a squeeze so that there is no soap or makeup left, and then put it aside to dry. And then you just want to go ahead and repeat this with all of your brushes. Something that is super important to remember when dealing with makeup brushes and water is to always face them down. If you don't, the water can go into that metal section and loosen up the glue, and therefore the bristles will fall out and you ruin your whole brush. So always make sure that you're facing it down rather than letting the water go back into the metal. And yeah, that's basically all there is to it. Just keep cleaning all of your brushes until they are completely done and you see all the makeup come out. Once you have finished cleaning all of your brushes, then just go ahead and rinse off whatever mat or tool that you used to clean them, and you can move on to the drying. So as I mentioned before, you're going to want a towel. What you want to do is roll up about a third of that and then put your brushes on it facing down. Again, this is so that the water doesn't go back into the metal, so don't leave them flat. Make sure they are drying on an angle. Moving on to the disgusting little sponge. I know a lot of people have trouble cleaning these, so what I recommend doing is taking a little bowl filled up with some of this soap and water and leaving your sponge or beauty blender in there for about 15 minutes to soak. Once you come back to it, you will see that a lot of the makeup just literally goes out into the water, so just give it a squeeze to try and get any excess makeup out of there and give it a good rinse. If that is not working and you still have kind of stains, more likely from liquid products, then what you might want to do is take it over to the tap and rinse it with some fresh cold water. Let it fill up with the water and then just keep squeezing it, and that should work to get anything left inside of it out. Once you have left everything to dry, that is literally it. Look how soft and gorgeous they are. They're pretty much brand new. Now you have clean and perfect brushes, and check out the sponge. It's yellow. It's not a gross brown makeup color anymore. So yeah, that method totally works. So I definitely recommend trying it out if your beauty tools are in need of a good cleanup. So hopefully this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the bell down below if you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye!